today here for the celebration of Onam in FMS, a festival filled with fragrance of flowers, joy of togetherness, and promise of new beginnings. To embrace this occasion with open hearts, I welcome Rohit Paraskar to come upon here and bring us more close towards Onam. Rohit, please.
So good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So first of all, thank you for celebration each and every day. Still, this is a series of celebrations that we are going to do in this week, and we are having a lots of excitement for the same. One thing I would like to share to entire FMS MBA, all the heads and staff members, that at every stage of life, we are having a different level of challenges, and through challenges we are getting new ideas, and that ideas can be executed very nicely, and that ideas executions that be with the support of the team. So now we are planning to make, because we are having a diversity, we are having the celebrations every day because of we are having a diverse culture over here, and that diversity shows that how we are respecting each other. Similarities we enjoy, but the differences we respect each other. So not only national level, but we are planning to make more at global level gradually, and with the support team of always my support team, like those who are highlighting on management PU. Person is not available right now also. So along with that, I discussed the idea that now we would like to create another level of positioning, and that positioning related to global leaders, tech leaders, and future managers. So global leaders, that is a diversity. So we are having the students not only from a different states, but we are having the students from a different nations, and we are planning to celebrate that diversity with the support of all of you. And that campaign we are going to start. So I think this is the right day. We can start it as national level to global level. So best wishes to all of you. Culture is the only thing I would say that if we want to reduce the distance or any hurdles, the smile is the only language which can cross the barriers. Research has no boundaries in terms of culture. Research not requires any passport. Because of that level of collaborations, so we are having an n number of ideas, and we are getting the support from our own international relations cell. We are getting the support from ISEC cell. So already we have started, and with the support of ISEC coordinator, 2 days before I discussed with Amita madam, Sapna madam also, that we are planning to this global leadership campaign, and I think right now madam is leading, Vidya madam. So there are n number of ideas we would like to execute. Your support is required. The current always supporting by Ashka Thakkar madam, because so many we are having ideas to execute ideas in a very nice manner. Without your support it cannot be possible. So looking for great cooperation for that global leadership campaign. We are going to start every day. Each nationality will create unique difference at FMS PU, and your support is required. So whatever specialization that you are leading, you have to identify that, how you identify the nationalities, how you identify the global level person, and that can be represented for FMS. Thank you, best wishes, no planned speech.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us. Now I would like to call Rohit to enlighten you about what Onam is. Rohit.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Rohit Paraskar, and I am here to put a light on today's festival, that is Onam. So let us understand why Onam is celebrated. Onam is a festival that is celebrated in Kerala. It is one of the most important festivals celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated with joy and enthusiasm. But Onam, why? is celebrated. The question, answer we get is, Onam is celebrated for the homecoming of King Mahabali. Mahabali is a great king, a demon ruler. But his increasing popularity grew some concern between gods. Lord Vishnu takes avatar of Batu, or we can say Vamana. Vamana is a dwarf boy. He came to Mahabali and asked for 3 bags of land. Mahabali accepted, but the thing was, Vamana got so big that his first step captured earth, second step captured heaven, and the third step he put on Mahabali. Mahabali went into netherworld, but to his goodness he was asked to come once in a year to meet his people. This marks the festival of Onam. On the day of Onam, it is said that Mahabali comes to visit us and he graces us and gives blessings to us. In Kerala, generally, today people celebrate it by wearing new dresses, by taking new boats. They get to temple, worship God, they come back. Major attractions between these 10 days are Madamkali, Gulikali, then boat race and Sadhya. 2 major boat races that happen in Kerala are Nehru Trophy, which is the biggest one, and the oldest one is Aranmula boat race. Same way in Aranmula, there is the biggest Sadhya that is called as Valla Sadhya. In Valla Sadhya, generally we will find that there are 75 dishes in all that a person can have. In this 10 days of Onam, people celebrate it with great joy and enthusiasm. The festival is not only for joy, it is for togetherness, it brings everyone together. As in our class or in this room also, we have many people from other countries, even from our country. So this togetherness is seen here, and in this message of togetherness and happiness, I end my speech and I wish everyone a happy Onam. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit, for enlightening us with what Onam is. It was really great having you here. Now I'd like to call Shivam for some melody over here. Shivam, please.
So, a very good morning to all present over here, respected teachers and all my dear friends. And I heartily wish you all a happy Onam. So, this is the first time I am celebrating with you guys. Otherwise, I used to hear that Kerala people used to celebrate this festival. So, I am very excited to celebrate with you guys. Apart from that, today I am going to sing a very romantic Telugu song from a movie named Ala Vaikuntapuram. The song name is Samajavara. And before starting, I am telling you that I am not that melodious, sweet, or that much good in singing. You can talk, no worries, it's common in that. But I would, along with that, please support me as well so that I will get motivation as well.
Vaibhav to bring us more close to Onam, to let us know that what's the culture of Onam, to let us know that how it feels to live Onam. Hemashri and Vaibhav, please.
Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Namaste.
Yes, that is how the South Indian greets their people. So today we will take you a tour of our traditions and cultures of South India.
But I feel like Tamil Nadu is the best state in South India. Let's see, like temple, dosha, and the oldest language in the South India, and also the India too.
Oh really? Everyone knows nothing can beat Kerala's backwater, architecture, Ayurveda, cinemas, as well as the Madamkali, the boat festival, and obviously the Onam festival. It's rightfully said, Kerala is known for the God's own country.
But wait, Andhra Pradesh has got Tirupati Balaji Temple, the most visited pilgrimage in the world. And also it has famous laddus, the spiciest pickle that will make you cry, but in a good way though.
Oh really? Let me remind you, our Captain Cool, MS Dhoni, is a fan of Hyderabadi biryani. Telangana, the youngest state, has given us Hyderabadi biryani. Anyone here who's the fan of Hyderabadi biryani? Yeah, cheers for that.
Okay, a fair point, but let's not forget, Karnataka has given us Bengaluru, which is the Silicon Valley of India, without which half of the apps we use now will not work anymore.
Exactly. So, South India is not just about food. It's about culture, art, heritage, as well as the innovation.
So, guys, which is the best state in the South India?
I would say Tamil Nadu.
Odisha.
Come on, we will never win this debate.
Yes, we will never win this debate because the truth is that all states are equally rich in tradition and their own heritage in their own unique ways. So yeah.
So here we are here to give you a virtual tour of each and every state. Let's explore the southern part of India.
रोहित रोहित
आप आगे बैठे इसलिए तुम आगे बैठने नहीं लगे, पीछे
नहीं यार वहाँ पे बैठ नहीं सकते, वहाँ पे बैठेगा ना वो सामने जो आएगा वो इतना क्लियर नहीं आएगा, इसलिए वहाँ
Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana are the southern states of the area. So, hope everyone are clear with that.
ना
Please let's wait for the presentation for a while. Until then, let's make a quick debate. So, how many of you here like dosa? Nice. And what about the biryani?
यस यस
Oh, too many hands. What about the Kerala sadhya? Less than no. That's again something which is. Then, what about the
वो काम नहीं कर रहा है, पार्ट टाइम काम कर रहा है।
वैभव को बोल उसका वाला काम कर रहा है, वैभव का उसका वाला काम कर रहा है।
Let's start. The South Indian states include all the 5 states that I have mentioned before. Let's start with Telangana, the youngest state, which has its language Telugu and Urdu with the urban slang, the Navasi slang, okay? And the delicacies here are Hyderabadi biryani, Jolladettu. It's the famous delicacies that we are often these backgrounds. Here you can see this called Bonalu, which is celebrated for goddess Mahakali, which symbolizes the women moon and all. And famous dance form include Singiri, Peridi Shiva Tandavam, and also this temples. Coming to this is Yadagiri, which is located in Yadagiri Gunda, and this is very well-known place here. Next comes the Thousand Pillar Temple, which is of Kakatiya dynasty. It is located in Warangal. And then comes the Bhadrachalam Temple. This is also known as the Dakshina Ayodhya. Now let's go to this Batukama. It's a very floral festival which is celebrated in Sagi and Kutta are the famous. Jumping to the Andhra Pradesh now, which is Sando spices. Here also, the language here known as Telugu. So, speaking about the food, now it is a fiery fest for every foodie. Next comes the Ugadi, which is the Tamil New Year, sorry, the Telugu New Year. There's a second thing, I'm confused. Now comes here Sankranti. This is a very vibrant festival celebrated here. It is known as the Harvest Festival. So you can see that is Mogi, Karakam, and some other things.
सॉन्ग कैसे चलेगा भाई?
This is Tirumala Venkateshwar Swami Temple. Who will never know that? It's a famous pilgrimage over here. And this is and there are 7 hills over here which gives you an eye-feast location. And next comes Kanakadurga Temple, which is situated in Vijayawada. And then comes Sri Kalahasti Temple. Now let's go to this traditional Sagi and Pancha, Kuchipudi. It's one of the famous dance.
Welcome you all. The language spoken here is Kannada. And the food is the famous dish, and the Mysore Pak as well. And the festival celebrated here is Karaga Festival, which and even the Mysore Dasera is grandly celebrated over in Karnataka. And there's another festival, and here it's about the temple, Puraneshwar Temple, the longest Shivan temple, which is in Mangalore. And it is the highest. And then there's the other temple, Virubhaksha temple, which is present in Hampi. And Hampi is also the place and World Heritage Site. And Hampi is known for its cravings, stone cravings, all those pillars, all those things. And it's the oldest state known, oldest city known. And the attire over here is Panchi for the Bay and Sari, Mysore Sari for the Hindu. And let us welcome you all to Tamil Nadu, where the language spoken here is Tamil, and we have an excellent breakfast that's Delhi idli, sambar, dosa, vada, all those things. And here we see the Meenakshi Theroad from Chariot, where it is celebrated in Madurai, and the famous Jallikattu, which has given a revolutionary thoughts. And next is Thaipusam, and this is the temple from Rameshwaram,
गया यहाँ
the famous temple of Rameshwaram, where the Shivan temple, which is located in the southernmost part. It has 4 gates, which has north, south, east, and west. The biggest temple known, and the famous dance is Bharatanatyam, which is celebrated in. And this is the attire and sari and besi.
Welcome to the Kotsum country, Kerala. Now, we can see this is Onam special Sadhya, as many didn't know, that is put with Karnataka. And this festival is known as Theyyam. And it's like a vibrant festival where people change their attires and they do kind of music. And this is like Onam is a very vibrant festival where you can see the Sadhya feast and also some grand processions. So this is more like a harvest festival. And this is Thrissur Puram. It is called a festival of festivals. It is situated, it is made in Vadakkanagan temple. And you can see the grand processions and also with the majestic elephant. You know what? In Kerala, like there are many elephants and there are like treated as gods too in many ways. Here you can see like a very majestic elephant. So it is a very grand festival. Now, who doesn't know Sabarimala? You can see it in the months of December and in the winter. All the traditional black attire and they will be playing to the Subramanieshwar song. There where you can embrace and find yourself. Here comes the Guruvayur temple, where the Padmanabha Swami temple is located. You can find that very loving Krishna's here. So like almost most of the Keralians' favorite temple might be here. Even I love it. Let's see if anyone can reach there. That's a very vibrant. See the roofs are made up of copper plates. And the famous dance form is Kathakali. And this is the traditional attire which all we are in today, most of us. Yeah.
And this the famous boat race that everyone is aware of. And these are the festivals which they are celebrated in Kerala. And the best part is the celebration of Onam. Yeah.
Now let me take a chance to invite the creator of the video, is Vishal. He just wanted to say a few things.
बना है सही लेकिन बस पेट
I think I just touched the surface of culture and emotion of South India. I think there is many more to explore, and South India is very limitless of experience. Thank you, everyone.
5 states, 5 stories.
But yet they live under one soul. This is South India, where every festival, every flavor and every faith becomes one heartbeat of India. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you, Hemish. That was quite informative. They really deserve a big round of applause for this talk. Thank you, Vishal and Govind, to help us live what Onam is. To help us live what Onam is through this video, through your words. Thank you so much. Now, the best part of this day. I would like to call our faculties to some melody for something.
अरे कोने में जाने को
एक तारा पिघला था, एक आंधी आई थी, जब दिल से आह निकली थी, दिल से रे பேரன்பே உன் கண்ணிமைகள் என் கண்ணை சுற்றும் கனவு இது உயிரை கீழும் உறவு உன் துன்பம் என்பது கனவு கண்ணீரே கண்ணீரே சந்தோஷ கண்ணீரே दिल से रे एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गए निकले और कण की पायल मस्ती में तो कंगन कनके अंधार बिटोड़म ओरल कंदे அந்த கண்டை கண்கள் ஆட கலக்கும் கண்கள் கண்ணிலே அம்மா 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 ஏ அம்மா 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 Thank you, dear faculties that completely changed the whole ambience of this environment. Thank you. Now I'd like to call Jyotirmai and Sachi for a duo dance. Shivam for some melody. Shivam, please.
Well, that was a very amazing performance, I must say. I was scared by performance. Let's see you enjoy as well. నిదురపు విలవిలలు చూసి ఆగగలన మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెత్తగలున సామజవర గమనాలను చూసి ఆగగలన మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెత్తగలున నీ కలిమి పడుతూ వదలను చూడేనాగలను ఆ చుట్టూ రాతూ వెలకు దయలేనా అసలు మాసమా మంజుల హాసమా ప్రతి మలుపులోన ఎదురుపడిన వన్నల వనమా వీసిన పింఛమా వినులక మంచమా ఎన్నెన్ని వన్న చిన్నలంటే ఎన్నల వశమా అరే నాదాలే తగిలినా నా నీరే తరిమినా పురకవా పలకవా మామా ఎంతో ప్రతిమాలిన నిందే నా అంగన మదిని వీడు మధురమైన మనవిని వినుమా సామజవర గమన చూసి ఆగగలన మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెత్తగలన సామజవర గమన చూసి ఆగగలన మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెత్తగలన Thank you.
Thank you. Really, we have a better Now I'd like to call the MBA first year students for group dance. Guys, please.
ഒരു പാട്ട് വെച്ച് തന്നാൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊന്ന് എന്റർടൈൻ ചെയ്യാമായിരുന്നു. ഹിന്ദി പാട്ട് മതി. എന്താ പേര്? സ്വീറ്റ്നൽ. കേട്ടോ പറ്റി. ലാംഗ്വേജ് എന്തായാലും എനിക്ക് പ്രശ്നമല്ല.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രോഗ്രാം
പിന്നെന്താ, വിത്ത് പ്ലഷർ.
Nani
request all our faculties for group photo. So, ma'am, please.
I was waiting for you. कब आएगा कब आएगा?
सब मर्ज हो गया ना
क्या फोकस करके ले रहा था ठीक है कोई
फर्स्ट ये इसका
यार ज़रूर है लेकिन सही से लिया
Student coordinators, please join. Right, this was what you and
कोऑर्डिनेटर चलो
అప్పుడే కదా టీవీ కంప్లీట్ వస్తుండే
भाई मैं हेल्प में डांस निकलो निकलो
मैं भी
हाँ
क्या
हाँ देखना मेरे को लेना क्या मैं आगे निकल जाता हूँ यहीं पे सही रहेगा नहीं हुआ यार पीछे सही था पीछे सही था पीछे सही था